Lohagad Fort is situated close to the hill station of Lonavala, Khandala and 52 km northwest of Pune on the Sahyadri Mountains. You can catch a local train or a share cab from Lonavala to reach Malavli, which is 5 km away from Lohagad. We started our trek from Malavli station towards base village of Stairs to Baje Caves. After having some fun at the waterfall, we continued to village Lohagad Wadi, which is the base to climb Lohagad Fort. This would take around 2 to 2.5 hours for a fit person. Lohagad is connected to the neighboring Visapur fort, which is at its eastern side by a small range. From Lohagad Wadi, there are few hundred steps to the fort. The route is very pleasant and take you to the ancient time. There is an entry ticket of Rs 25 to enter the fort. Lohagad means Iron Fort in Marathi. Lohagad rises to an elevation of 1033 meters or 3389 feet above sea level. The range divides the basins of Indrayani River and Pavana River. Lohagad overlooks the Pavana Reservoir located to the south of the mountain. Lohagad has 4 doors in series from Lohagad Wadi. The doors are named as Ganesh Darwaja, Narayan Darwaja, Hanuman Darwaja and Maha Darwaja. Darwaja is a Marathi word for door or gate. The thing that makes Lohagad different from the other hilly forts is its fortification and the doors mentioned above. The doors and the fortification are really better condition as compared to other hilly forts in Maharashtra. The fortification looks awesome from the top. fort has a long narrow wing in the west side called Vinchukata, the scorpion's tail in Marathi. This is adding value to the beauty of the fort. Unfortunately, it's not visible today because of the fog. Lohagad has long history with several dynasties occupying it at different periods of time. Shivaji Maharaj had captured the fort Lohagad in 1648. It was handed over to Mughals in 1665. According to the treasury of Purandar, after 5 years, Marathas recaptured it in 1670. The wealth looted from Surat was kept here. Later in Peshwa time, Nana Patnavis used this fort for living for some time and built several structures in forts such as Big Tank and Step Well. Lohagad is witness of glorious history of India and Maharashtra. It takes you to the historical era. This can be a very nice place to visit during weekend from the people in Pune and Mumbai. On your way back, you can also visit the Buddhist caves in Bajaj village.